Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. So today's topic is about Himalaya Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. A small request for you guys, if you are seeing our channel first time, please do subscribe and support us. So without further delay, let's get started. So in today's video, I am going to present this product in front of you all. It's Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. It's basically a body lotion, and the main effective function of it is it deeply moisturizes and repairs dry skin. And as you see here, the main ingredients of this body lotion is cocoa butter and wheat germ. And the consistency will be rich in consistent. So we'll see what are the other advantages of using this body lotion. So this product, the main purpose is hydration and then nutrition. So coming to hydration, it locks natural moisture and provides essential hydration, and also it improves the skin's ability to absorb and hold moisture. Whereas this cocoa butter helps repair intensely moisture and improve skin appearance. So with the prolonged usage of this product, you can feel like your skin will become more soft, hydrated and supple, and which is a very essential in winter season. And whereas coming to wheat germ oil, it is known to be rich in vitamin E and helps prevent moisture loss. We all know the importance of vitamin E for the skin and hair. That deeply moisturizes the skin, and also it provides a skin lightening effect in the long-term usage. So coming to the directions, apply this lotion gently over the body with special condition to any dry areas, with special attention to any dry areas, slowly massaging it, best used after bathing. So when your skin is most receptive to hydration, so after the bath our skin will absorb whatever we apply. So it is always best practice to use any moisturizer just after your bath. So here you can see the net quantity is 100 ml and the price is 85 rupees. So this is a small package. I request all of you to try with the small package any product. So if you like, you can continue using the bigger products with other huge quantities. So as a overall my experience, I recommend it to the people who have extreme dry skin, and also for the regular usage, so that we won't cause any wrinkles or any other skin repairs, because moisturizers is always suggestible to use irrespective of whatever the skin type we have. Okay, so let's see the consistency. So this is how we can open the bottle. It's flip-on cap and it's travel friendly. So friends, I have taken a very little quantity over here to just show you all how the consistency looks like, and gently massage it so that it will get absorbed easily into the skin. I can feel the difference after applying it because it is quietly absorbing, and I can feel the soft and supple when I touch the skin compared to non-applied areas. So overall, I highly recommend this product as it is completely herbal, because Himalaya is a herbal based product and it does not contain any active paraben ingredients which will cause harm to us in the further long usage. So, and keeping in account that cocoa butter and wheat germ is most essential, which keeps our body and skin very healthy. So overall, I can give this product as highly recommended to use in extreme dry skin, for extreme dry skin, and also in the winter season especially. Okay friends, thank you. So this is all about today's cocoa butter intensive body lotion. If you have any further queries, please do comment in comment section. I will answer your queries, and if you want to get to know about any other product, please inbox me, so I'll make a review on that product. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.